Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. Today's video is on whether we can apply a temporary tattoo onto the Beyond Mix. Let's get started. The mold I'm using today is of a mobile holder. So the first thing we'll do is mix our Beyond Mix mixture. So mix the powder and the liquid in the ratio of 2.5:1. Mix it really well. Put a color tint if you want to. Mix that also well and then pour it into the mold. So I'm using the color red. It gives a slight pinkish color in the end, when it mixes with the white Beyond Mix. So mix the color tint well and then pour it into the mold. So once the mixture has been poured into the mold, tap it gently to get rid of the air bubbles, and then we'll allow this to cure. So it will take about an hour or two. So we'll come back and see how this goes. So I like to go to the edge of the mold with a toothpick, making sure not to scrape the surface. This just helps to get rid of any trapped air bubbles, so gives a more So after about 2 hours, I'm going to demold the mobile holder gently. So our mobile holder, Beyond Mix mobile holder, is ready. So I'm going to allow this to be as it is for another 24 hours so that it will be more durable and all the water has been nicely absorbed. So after 24 hours, we're going to stick some temporary tattoos on it. So I got this off Amazon. I'm not really sure about the quality, but let's try it out. So stick the tattoo on the base and then put some water over it until the paper is completely wet. So I'm using a sponge to do this. So once the paper is really wet and you can see the tattoo through it, slowly peel it off. So I did the same process with the second one. The tattoo sticks nicely onto the base. I didn't have too much difficulty in peeling it off. So there you have it. So once everything was dry, I applied the sealer onto the Beyond Mix. So this also increases the durability of your piece. So I felt this was a little bit too plain, so I wanted to add some gold foils. So before the sealer dries, I apply some gold foils onto the empty spaces. If you feel that the base is dry, apply the sealer and press the gold foil on top of it, so it should stick to the base. So once you apply all the gold foils, apply the sealer at the time, making sure everything is stuck nicely onto the base. Allow this to completely dry and the mobile holder is ready. It's as simple as that. So there's so many temporary tattoos available online, so you can use any of them to just glam up your piece. So do try this out, guys, and if you do, please tag me on my Instagram channel at everything_resin. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment, like and share. I'll see you soon in the next one.